Are you having a problem with a clogged drain or toilet in your house? Do you have a slow drain in your sink or shower that's just starting to become a problem for you and your family? Clogged toilets and drains don't fix themselves and simply can't be ignored. They require immediate attention. Not only is it usually a messy situation, but clogged drains and toilets also pose certain health risks as well. If you have a slow or clogged drain or toilet, you need a local plumber that can respond fast, accurately assess your issues, and take the most cost-effective route to a solution. We're here to help. We're fully licensed and insured, and we've helped many other local homeowners with their clogged drains and toilets over the years. Give us a call today.